Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this time, I would like to explain about the theoretical report of Pengantar Multimedia. In this theory, we will talk about three different points. For the first one is the typography in multimedia and font categories. Typography in multimedia is the way text is arranged so that it is easy to read, visually applying, and easy for user to understand. And we have three commonly used fonts. There is serif font, sans serif, and monospace. And the second one is the importance of readability and usability and influencing factors. Readability and usability are very important in website or application design because they determine whether users can understand and use the system easily. If the text is difficult to read, user may become confused and lost interest in our system. And for the last one is different between TXT, PDF, and HTML file format. TXT is the simple text format that only contains plain text without any formatting. And PDF is document format that maintains the same appearance across all devices. And HTML is a language used to create web page. And next we will talk about the practical report. And in this time I will make a program using HTML and Visual Studio Code. So in this program, I made three files, that is HTML, styling with CSS, and script with JavaScript. And in this HTML index for explanation, I used to declare a HTML document type so the browser can correctly read and display the page. And for the line 2, HTML tag is used the wrapper for all page content. And tag storage page information such as title and supporting files. The title tag displays the page title in the browser tab. And all of that. So basically, this HTML index is used to determine the heading, subheadings, and the content or the the content of this website. So this is we have this for the first paragraph, the second paragraph, the third paragraph, and we use li and ul for the point, and this is the next paragraph. Next, for the CSS, I use CSS for styling my program. And the first style is the body style, font type and margin for a cleaner layout. The next style is header, center alignment, purple color, and border. And the icon class control image size for consistency, so the image have the same size. Style paragraphs to be centered with proper spacing. Add color to subheadings. Adjust line spacing. Styles the button. Adds a hover effect to the button. Styles the output display to be clear and center. And the last one is footer. And the last one is function. Because in this website I will use button, so I made this function to the button. For this code, I have a sum of conclusion. So for this index HTML, function is the main structure of the web page. In this code, HTML is used to display content such as headings, paragraph, images, separators, lists, and buttons. It organizes information so that it can structure and easy for user to understand. And the second one is CSS. CSS. In the CSS function is to style and enhance the appearance of the page. In this code, CSS is used to control font color, font size, text alignment, spacing between elements, and button design to make the layout more attractive and neat. It also adds visual effects like hover on button to improve interactivity. And the last one is this JavaScript. This JavaScript function is to add interactivity of the page. In this code, JavaScript is used to run function when the button click display message on the page through a specific element. This makes website dynamic instead of just static. And these three components work together, like HTML is used to structure, CSS used to design, and JavaScript is used to interaction to create a web page that is organized, visually appealing, and interactive. And this is the result of my program or my coding. We have the first paragraph. It explains what is multimedia, and the second paragraph explain about the first era of multimedia and the perkembangan multimedia. And I use LI to make this bullet, and I have this little button. So when we click the button, it will display selamat materi telah selesai. And also I made this like a copyright sign made by Jenny Agustin. That's all for my explanation. I'm so sorry if I have a lot of mistakes and misexplanation. Thank you for watching.